Alright, John and I are going over to my place because I ordered a hoe for the week. Figure if I'm going to be down here, I might as well have a hoe for the week. You'll see. Behold my hoe. Oh, there's going to be a lot of damage done. I can see it now. Well, John took my hoe already. Alright, I'd love to sit and chat, but we got work to do. I'm tired. What about you?
My pants are falling down.
You better go to Royal King and get some $10 jeans that fit.
Hold on, I gotta do a dance.
Alright. While John pulls up his pants, this is what we did today. Still a lot more to be done.
Engineer, where are you headed? Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting. Promised that she'd marry me. Mr. Can we leave that seat? I'll shovel coal, Lord, to pay my fare. Gotta get this train down to the station. My little girl waiting for me there. Well, the night is dark and Lord, it's cloudy. I've been traveling that lonesome road. My one true love waiting at a seat. Want that low train to carry me back? Yeah, they left Columbus around 7. Oh Lord, they hit Louisville about 9. That poor boy's heart started overheating, sending all of his love on down. For the night is dark and Lord is quiet. I've been traveling this lonesome road. My one true love waiting at the sea. Oh, that long old train back.
Alright, Wrecking Crew Harley Davidson, Johnson City. I was going to get you a poker chip, Bob, but they don't open until 12, so you're out of luck. Look how happy that makes him.
He fucked you, Bob. buddy fucker.
Hell, I come 40,000 miles over here to see what them pretty little lips gonna do to me, baby. But every single time that I come around, it seems you got another man trying to keep you down, baby. Well, you might think you're driving me insane, but I made the game that you're trying to play. You know, I think you maybe ought to know this ain't my first rodeo. I've been around long enough to know some things you can't take back, some things you just got to let go. Yes. Well, hell, I got Sammy on the phone, Nikki at home, trying to get along so I can deal with you, babe.
Actually had a pretty good ride.
That was a good ride. Alright, so that bike makes me feel short and tall at the same time. When I'm riding, I feel 6 feet tall. When I've got to come to a stop, I go back to the midget that I am.
If you can stop.
Yeah, it's not the greatest brakes, but it's cool. Was it 2011 Police Road King? Right. 2010 Police Road King.
An actual police. It actually has all the switches.
Yeah.
I can go.
Yeah, John's got his lights, his sirens, everything.
I can go in pursuit.
Yeah, pursuit mode like the Batmobile. Or like Kit.
Yeah.
Alright, so we had that nice ride to Johnson City, and then we're going to go work on the property. And we were about, what, like halfway there, you'd say? Alright, almost halfway there. And do you know where the key to the backhoe is?
Not in Nick's pocket.
Yeah, no, it's not in my pocket. It's back at John's house. So we'll get started eventually today. We're going back to get the key that when I took it last night, I said to John, I'm probably going to forget this tomorrow. So I'm going to blame him. He should have said, hey, Nick, do you have the key to the backhoe?
I'm just saying that you got ESP.
Yeah, I got ESPN over there. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just making fun of myself. I'm not going to say there was somebody that went for a ride this morning and forgot their wallet. I don't know who that was.
I don't need a wallet to start a backhoe, and I do I.
This is true. Alright, we're going to go get a key. I'm probably going to go try John's dog's nuts when I walk in the house, and they probably just quieted down. Now they're going to be yelping like crazy. And then we're going to go back and do some work.
Yeah, why don't you come over in my lane a little more, you fucking asshole. God, you fucking people.
John's a little angry. At least he's not angry at me.
Yeah.
He's taking this in stride because I paid for the gas in the truck. If I didn't, this would be a whole different story.
If you didn't, you'd be walking.
This is true.